Oh my god, I thought I heard something. Okay. So this is I'm gonna make this little vlog for Ashley. So I'm gonna vlog this little rave that I'm going to. Hopefully, I'm like honestly kind of really scared and excited. I'm already dressed up, like I dressed up like 2 hours earlier than I was supposed to. But it's My Little Pony. I'm going as Spike. I have my little perler clip. Oh, I think I lost something. Fuck. I had a little. Oh, here it is. I found a new little ring. Oh my god. Okay. So this is the outfit for Spike. I already wear this once. I'm just re-wearing it. But this time I actually straighten my hair. And hopefully I don't forget to vlog, but I probably will. I'm sorry. I probably will. It is currently... It's 7. It's 7. You can barely see that. It's 7. I still have to go pick up Finn, and then I don't know. I think we're gonna get like something to eat or something, but I'm ready. I'm just waiting.
There's cars behind us.
Is there? There is. Okay, this is like, I want to say like my 4th time trying to film a vlog, but I'm also like doing this super last minute. But I'm going to a clown rave. It's Tuesday and it's currently 8 p.m. It starts at, I think, 9 and it ends at 12. So, and it's in Portland, which is like 50 minutes away. Literally, I don't know. And I'm starving and I just came back from work and I'm tired. And I'm broke as fuck. Like, I have $5 in my bank account right now. And I'm about to drive 50 minutes for a rave that might be closing in like an hour. So by the time we get there, we'll probably just hang out for like an hour or two. Oh my god, guys. But you know what? It's because YOLO. See, it's literally 8:52. I have to pick up my friend at 9 because they get off of work at 9:30. And so it's a clown rave. I have no clown like accessories, nothing. Like I didn't even make any candy inspired for this because it was so last minute. And I just need to check on Pinterest and see if I can do like the easiest clown makeup ever. Because I literally have no idea if they're even gonna like let us in. Because it's so late. Like it's so last minute. I haven't even bought my ticket. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Oh, let me see if I have. And honestly, I wish I could do like a full like clown face, but I genuinely don't think I have time like for anything. Cause I take forever. I take for freaking ever to do anything. I don't know. I'm like trying to see on Pinterest like the easiest clown look, but I don't know, guys. I brought everything I need though. I'm stressing. Okay, I really love this. I know she has like her face is all white. I'm not gonna do my face white because I don't have time for that. But I think I can do the mouth, the nose, and the cheeks. Ooh. I genuinely feel so cooked right now. I moved inside and I'm gonna use this palette. Ugh, I haven't even asked my parents for permission. Like I literally just got out of work and was like, okay, I'm ready. And sorry for the echo. There's like nothing in this house. It's empty. So, yeah. I also don't have a mirror, so I really am just YOLOing it. And I didn't bring any makeup wipes, so if I fuck this up, I really fucked it up. I need my water. I'm scared, guys. It's almost 9. Fuck. Fuck. Just happy to look a mess. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please, guys. Please. Oh my god. What a stupid ass idea. Dude, in the last few raves we've been, I went to one good rave, and after that, I started inviting my friends to come with me, and then I haven't gone to a good rave since. This is so not giving. I will be right back. Bro, they have me out feeling like Ronald McDonald. I'm not even done yet. I left the other paint in the car. So, and it's already like 9:06, so I have to skedaddle. Ooh, I'm so scared. This is what my mess is looking like right now. Oh, guys, I'm scared. Bro, I'm honestly just happy to look a mess. Bro, I don't know how we're gonna get this, like, I don't know how this is actually gonna go through, bro. Like, I'm stressing a little bit, guys. I don't know. Because from there, we're gonna go back to their house so that they can change. I don't know. And I look like a mess. I did this, like, last minute. Guys, I don't know. I'm almost out of the neighborhood, and I'm honestly so embarrassed to be driving like this. Like, I just passed by, like, oh, no, run, kitty, run. Bro, I'm almost... Damn, these dang cats, bro. I just drove past a little kid on his bike. Oh my god, bro. I feel so ridiculous. I feel so ridiculous right now. I've never, like, gone out, like, in public with makeup on. So this is, like, a first. But I'm finally on my way to go pick up my friend. I'll update you in a little bit. We finally made it. We're on our way.
I'm so excited.
Let me see. Where are we?
Do you know where we're going?
No, I don't know. Wait, we probably already missed it.
You said you knew where.
Oh, shit. No, I don't know what, like, the venue is, though. Like, I know my way around here. Oh, no.
My bad.
We are currently lost in Portland. That looks empty.
Why is this being stupid? Hold on.
Okay. And we're walking.
This is embarrassing.
They don't even remember. Which we...
The thing is, should we ask them?
What does it say?
It's being weird. My phone is tweaking. That way.
Okay. Ooh. This is what Portland looks like on a Tuesday at 10, I think.
Almost 11.
Almost 11. I'm a little scared. This is not... This way. Okay. Hi.
And there's some people behind you coming back in. Oh, that part does. No problem. We'll be back in. We'll be back in.
And then I have a 10 for both of us.
Yay, thank you, Finn.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Of course.
And I'll do a stand up inside wrist. Thank you. And there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And yeah, feel free to come and go. We got hearing protection up here and water if you need it.
Thank you. The rave was dead as fuck. So now we're outside. Yellow. We're gonna get run over.
Oh, run away. Hi, you guys look really cool.
Okay, come be our friend.
Hi. Awesome. Hi.
I'm Xander.
I'm Finn.
Makelin.
Nicolin, okay.
Did you guys also come for the clown race thing?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm here every week.
Really? This is our first time.
Yeah.
Mario!
I'm going to jail.
You're dying tomorrow. That's so sad.
Rest in peace, Bug.
Very cool.
right?
I'm not. I'm off the gram.
So we can
You
Oh,
did
okay.
it. You searched up
I have Snapchat.
Oh, did one? Oh, okay.
For so long I didn't have anything.
At the twilight's last gleaming, stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Get true through the night that our flag was still there. So saved us that star-spangled banner. With the wind of the free and the home of the brave.
Rest in peace, Bug.
Remember that Vine where it's like, my dick fell off? Like, it's like literally.
I'm gonna turn the flash off.
My dick fell off.
One of my rhinestones. Two of my rhinestones.
Wow.
Really good one.
Oh, my PR!
For your part of segment.
I have to say that I'm having a wonderful time.
Yes.
And I'm really sad that I messed up my makeup, but that's okay. Because
Yeah.
I made wonderful friends.
Exactly.
Yes.
On a random Tuesday.
It's right there.
And there's me on the floor.
As a society, I feel like this.
Yeah, no, I think we might be a bad thing. Like maybe
It's for my
we're
vlog.
gonna be a problem later.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. There's a lot of reasons why aliens would want to kill us.
Yes.
But we're dope for now. So it's
We're back outside,
Yeah,
guys.
no, we're chilling. We're up.
Yeah, but we have.
I mean, they might have like something way better than nukes. I would assume they do if they have
that
like.
they're threatened by our
they
nukes,
are
though.
allergic to like
Wow.
spray tan orange with stuff like super
Wow.
old, and they sound really weird.
Stay away, motherfucker! It's one of those days! It's all about the he said bullshit! You think you better quit?
It's not even on yet. There we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I see the vision. We got Ash, dude, me too. I miss her so much.
Is she coming up here or are you?
No, I'm going over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we're gonna go see My Chemical Romance with the used. So we, yeah, literally like the day of, she was literally still living here, and I was like, no, we have to go. We're locked in, guys. Like, she's not going anywhere, bro. We made it to Voodoo Donuts, Ashley. I think it is. Yeah, Cat Club, Kit Club. Wow. It's closed. Oh, period. Window service. And it's closed. Nice.
I think there's people. It said it's open. Is that a doorbell? Ding dong. Oh, I think so.
Oh, shit. Oh, we're like not even there yet. La di da di da.
Open almost 24 hours.
Bruh. And then the one time we're here, it's the almost.
Yeah.
Bruh. Mm. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I pressed the doorbell.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
blonde. I feel like he would fuck with that.
Yeah, oh, him, the blonde. Okay. Alright. Are you guys gonna get anything? Do you know what you want? I'm not getting
I want the dirt.
the dirt. Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're ready. I'm gonna do
Thank you,
the
Finn.
raspberry Romeo,
I'm Chud maxing right now.
the maple blazer blunt.
Okay, this is unfortunately the end of this like super messy vlog. Like I know the vlog is not gonna make any sense. I finally dropped my friend off. Made it. I'm almost home. It's almost 3 a.m. and my mom told me not to go home late. So I'm probably gonna get my ass whooped. But yeah, hopefully, I don't know, guys. I know this vlog is gonna be so chopped because I only like recorded little random pieces of Portland. So yeah, but that was it, guys. Super fun. Yay! It's currently 3:05 and I'm barely making it home. I'm actually super scared because my mom did tell me not to get home too late. I didn't tell her I was going to Portland. I just told her I was gonna hang out with my friend. So, oof. I'm gonna get my ass beat, guys. I'm really scared. Pray for me. Pray for me, everybody. I'm like trying to be so quiet right now. I'm actually so scared. But it's also Tuesday and like they work, so I'm pretty sure they're sleeping. I don't know though, I'm scared. Please, I'm sorry. I made it home. Yeah, that was it. I didn't get my ass beat. I'll update you if I get in trouble in the morning. But I'm home. I'm tired. I need to find my makeup wipes. And yeah. I was actually gonna go to sleep already, but I can't. This is what I ended up getting at Voodoo Donut. It's a Oreo donut, and it's actually so good. I thought it was gonna be way too sweet, but it's like so fluffy. I think I'm gonna save it for the morning, but it's really good. Hopefully, like I'm really hoping it doesn't stain. I'm so tired. It's 4 in the morning. It's 4:23. Oh shit.